On September 9, 1916, a diminutive woman stood at the door of the old Longfellow School in downtown Denver, warmly welcoming students to a new kind of school that would soon become a national model. Emily Griffith began her lifelong passion for teaching at the age of 14, falsifying her date of birth to get a position in Nebraska. After years of working with impoverished students and families with little chance for advancement, she came to believe that public education needed to be more inclusive. Her dream was to establish a school for all who wished to learn, offering practical classes with day and night schedules and no age limit. Her name for the school was Opportunity. More than 1,400 students registered the first week. Today, the Emily Griffith Opportunity School remains on the original site at 13th and Welton. The school has assisted more than 1.5 million students gain the knowledge and skills to become productive workers and lifelong learners. From basic high school and college courses to a wide variety of technical and professional certifications, the Emily Griffith legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of all who wish to learn.